What's up everybody, my name is Brenden, I'm your host here at BigBearB Photography, and we are back with another on-location landscape photography video. As you can see here, we're standing right next to some falls. It's more of like a rapid falls section. The falls themselves is very long, so it turns into a little bit more of a rapids, but it was extremely loud here, so I'm bringing you a little bit of a post-produced voiceover here. But as you can see, I'm getting the camera all dialed in. Since there was a lot of water here, I wanted to try to show the flow of the water that was going through this section of the river. So you know we're definitely going to be using a bit of that long exposure. I believe this one we ended up shooting at 1/5 of a second for the exposure. Had my f-stop at f16 and ISO 100 as always. And we had a lot of fun in the photo editing process here. You could see that video on Sunday, but we actually took two different trials, I guess you could call it, as to how we edited this photo. Sorry if you heard my dog in the background. But we have a more of a muted color tone one, and then we also did a black and white one. So really excited how this one took out, or how this one came out. Kind of have the big waterfall here, and then we're going to jump on over after I show you this photo to a very small waterfall as a bit of a contrast. Alright guys, so obviously it was really loud down there, so that's why I did the voiceover. It's still probably a bit loud while we're up here, but today we're going to be doing a little bit of a tale of opposites. I'm just going to grab my bag because we have a family approaching here. So you already saw we took a photo down at the bottom where the big waterfall is. Now we just have a little bit of a runoff, but the way that we're kind of capturing these is both the two different ways. So since this guy is a lot smaller than that last one, I have my camera tilted down. I don't know if you can see the camera on the video. I have it tilted down. And since we have a very small or wide shot that we're taking here, when you do that, when you tilt it down, it's going to kind of change how we take that photo. It's going to drag out that top, make the waterfall look a little bit grander, a little bit not as small as it obviously is, as you've probably seen in the background. And then I can pull up my information that I have on here. So like always, like always, are you aiming? Can you see me? Okay, well it looks like it was high. Yeah, so I have my information up here. As always, we're shooting at ISO 100. Gonna be shooting this at f11, and we're gonna be shooting this at a 1/1.3 shutter speed. Now, as you can tell, I don't have my little remote plugged in. I don't want to get everything too wet and open up a bunch of different things on the camera. So I just have it set for a 2-second timer. Gonna press the shutter button, let it do its thing here, wait for it to pop back up, take a look here, kind of see what we want to do there. I'm gonna go ahead and move the frame up just a little bit. I feel like we're cutting off the top just a little bit too much. I'm gonna go ahead and reset that 2-second timer and take another test shot here, kind of to see which way we could best elongate that waterfall. I have water dripping into my eye. Elongate that waterfall, make it look a little bit grander, but also not cut off too much of what's happening above. I think that's going to be it for today. We're going to have a shorter video today, and we will have our Sunday photo editing video this week. We'll have to change it again next week as I do work the weekend of next week. So we'll kind of flop back and forth for a little bit, but I'll make sure to keep you guys updated. You could also check me out on social media. I always have those links below where you can get updates on when the new videos are coming out. But I think we're going to pack up so we're not getting soaking wet and the camera's not getting soaking wet, and we'll see you guys this Sunday with that photo editing video. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you later.